Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital payments to make your online experiences seamless and secure. Today, we're tackling how to use your UnionPay card online in 2025. With rapid advancements in fintech, UnionPay has become a powerhouse for international transactions, offering enhanced security and wider acceptance. Whether you're booking flights, shopping for gadgets, or paying for subscriptions, this guide will have you covered in just a few simple steps. First things first, ensure your UnionPay card is set up for online use. Log into your bank's mobile app or website. Most major banks in 2025 have upgraded to biometric verification, so use your fingerprint or facial scan to access your account. Once in, navigate to the card settings and enable online transactions. This step is crucial because it activates additional security layers like dynamic CVV codes. Next, add your card to a digital wallet for extra convenience. Popular options include Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even UnionPay's own app, which now supports AI-powered fraud detection. Simply scan your card or enter the details manually, then verify with a one-time password sent to your phone. Pro tip: always use a secure Wi-Fi network to avoid any risks. Now, when you're ready to make a purchase, head to a website that accepts UnionPay. Look for the logo at checkout. Enter your card details carefully: the card number, expiration date, and that dynamic CVV. In 2025, many sites will prompt for biometric confirmation, like a thumbprint on your device, to finalize the payment. Once approved, you'll get an instant confirmation notification. If you run into issues, such as a declined transaction, double-check your card's available balance or contact customer support through the bank's chat feature. Remember, UnionPay cards often come with travel perks and cashback rewards for online spends, so keep an eye out for those bonuses. Wrapping this up, using your UnionPay card online in 2025 is straightforward, safe, and super efficient. Give it a try on your next online shopping spree and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.